Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To download and install Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 computer, go to your Microsoft Edge browser. In address bar type google.com. Now hit enter. In search bar type Google Chrome download. Now hit enter. Here you will find download Chrome. Click on download Chrome. In upper right corner you will find a button download Chrome. Just click on download Chrome. Now click on accept and install. Chrome is downloading. Download has been finished. Now click on show in folder. Double click to install it. Click on yes. Now initializing. Downloading Chrome. Now installing. Installation has been finished. Chrome browser will automatically open for the first time. Now you need to sign in to your Google Chrome browser. Click on sign in icon on lower right corner. Now type email address. Now click on next. Now type password. Now two-step verification. Go to your mobile phone and verify that it is you. In lower right corner you will find a button, yes, I am in. Just click on it. And now set Google Chrome as default. Just click on set as default on lower right corner. Now click on got it, and your Google Chrome download and installation has been finished. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.